Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey and do what we have to do. So just a quick fix. I want to fix this thing here very quickly, which is in the home blade over here, over here, over here. So we have a container and we have an offer. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So we have all of these in here, but what we are missing here is the row, I believe, here. Okay, so yeah, clearly we're missing the row. So because we changed from bootstrap 3 to 4 the last lesson, so let's make it, hopefully this will fix the issue. Okay, maybe, okay, yes, it fixes here but doesn't fix here. So let's search for this one. It's not here, which is very bad. Okay, it might be. Where is it? Do we have it here? Very strange. Okay, so we are in the home blade and here. Okay. Yep, this one. Okay, cool. So yeah, so we have row here. Okay, so let's see what we have. 4. Aha. Over here should be. Okay, cool. So yes, we fixed this now. Let's create a page for the restaurant, right? Because when we click here and we search, also yes, to better, let's make one country to improve this. So let's go ahead here and there is country, I believe. Let's make it GP, I believe G. Okay, UK GB, and feel free to change to your country. So this will be optimization for the search. When you search, it will search in UK. Cool. So let's create a view now very quickly, and I will call this restaurants. All right, cool. And what should we do is some cleaning. So we copy and paste from the home page, which is not good. So I will delete this and I will delete, and I will keep this one, which is the offer, which is good. Now I go here and I don't, as we can see here, when I search for anything here, Main Street, Manchester, and click. Of course, we have this from the last lesson. So let's retain view. Retain view, and what the view we have created, just create restaurant, isn't it? And this should retain the restaurant. And what we have, okay, we forgot semicolon. Cool, so we have this. So let's change this to the restaurant and change this as well. So where is it? Is it here? And let's call this restaurants. Okay, cool. So, and I don't need, just I need one because we want to loop in the moment. You will see it in the moment. All right, here now I want you to open your mind with me. Okay, cool. So we come here and let's grab the restaurant right around the users. But we forgot something super important, okay, which is we need to submit some additional information in here. So what I'm going to do, this, don't forget, this is a part of form. If I go in here, it's here, isn't it? Yep, forum. Yeah, so search is part of the forum, so we need to add some heading field very quickly. So let's make heading, which is strong. Okay, input, and let's make this heading, and let's make this, what I want to save this. Okay, address, which is in here. Okay, don't forget, when user click the address in the search box, this get filled automatically. And in here, what I want to do is there is postal code, okay, for when he choose the address, and let's give it name of postal code, okay, and I will grab this and this and this, and let's make this latitude, okay, and make this longitude, okay, and grab this here and here. So this now when user choose, let's demonstrate it, okay. I don't know if I do the link, but let's grab here and let's pick address, Mitten Street, Manchester, 1 mile, and I will go in here and just to demonstrate to you what I mean. Input, let's grab the information from the request, which is, and please come here, paste. I need this one, which is the name, okay, and I need this one as well, and this, okay, and let's delete this, okay, and let's see what we got. Okay, cool. So this is what I mean. When the user chooses the address from the drop down in the search autocomplete, we fill this and we submit it with the form, so we get it in here. Cool. I will tell you why we grab this, but keep in your mind this what we have to do. Okay, so everything work okay. Okay, so let's go ahead now and grab this again. I delete them. Okay, I have no idea why I delete them, but let's make variable here, user location, and call this lat, okay, and let's grab this, and let's grab this, and let's grab this. Good, everything is work perfect, okay, and let's call this, sorry, this should be here, okay, and this should be in here, and we have distance, isn't it? Distance, which is distance, okay. So now we need to grab all the restaurant around the user, okay. How we can do this? We have to do it like the following. First of all, let's loop through all the restaurant. How we can grab this is very simple. We have our model, right? Did we create model for this bad boy? Yep, created, yeah, this one. Okay, cool. So in here, how we can grab it all the restaurants, so loop all the through all the restaurant, and we have a restaurant. Let's import this in here, so it's imported for us. Now what should we do? We want to calculate the distance, okay. So I have code maths, okay. So we don't need to do some math because it's already for us. So to make it very simple, so this is the math. It's very difficult for us as a developer to guess how to calculate. So search in the internet and you will find a lot of algorithm, but I found this very handy. We pass the point, latitude, longitude for the user and for the restaurant as well, and I tell him I need it in mile and I need it to decimal, and this will come here and he will convert it. As you can see, I have put all the notes, so this will grab the distance different between the restaurant and the user. Okay, everything works smoothly now. So let's grab that what we want to distance between locations, okay. So which is get distance, okay. What the first one is, the first point simply, right, what we have, and the restaurants. So let's check our DB. What is it? Tutorial, restaurant. Yep, let and LNG. Let's make this LNG so we can, okay. So the first is restaurant in here and restaurant in here. So what we need as well, the users, which is in here, which is in here. Cool, hopefully, yes. So this will grab the distance now, distance between to between location, which is the this and user and okay. After we grab this location, we need to check. Okay, so we have the distance, the target distance, okay, which the user he need all the restaurant 2 mile or whatever. So what I'm going to do is to compare if this less or equal to the distance the user that he need 2 mile, 3 mile. Yes, we need to include the restaurant. How we can do this? We create array and we call available, maybe available if restaurants. Okay, available. Okay, restaurant. Okay, so how we can grab this now? Very simply, we tell them to pick the restaurant in here. Okay, so what he okay never used, we will use it, don't worry mate. So now let's return this to okay cool. Now this what I have done this because we have the view here, we need to push this to the view so we can use it here. Be with me at the moment. Okay, so we have the available restaurant here, so let's see what we got from in here if we get it right. Cool, so we have 4 restaurants available for the user. Cool, now let's grab and do what we have to do, which is we need to loop through this, which is as I mentioned earlier that we have the restaurant is available for us, right? Restaurants as restaurants in here, and last we are in the blade and for each, and I grab this here and we should have 4 in here. Yep, 1 2 3 4 restaurant. Okay, so let's make them correctly, which is the first one restaurant name. Let's see what we got. Cool, so we have this restaurant name, but let's I don't know why this okay, so why this back? Maybe other description if you want to do or something. Okay, cool. And what we have else here, we have name, address, and we have postal code, and we have okay, we can put the address. How about this in here? Restaurant, okay, and address, which is good. Sorry, make mistake here. Okay, expect parameter address. Yep. Okay, cool. So what we have else here? Okay, cool. So we have our restaurant in here. One thing, so let's make this go to the home go to the products page when you click in the restaurant. So how we can do this? Let's go to the web in here and let's define a route, and where I want to put, I will copy and paste this. Okay, and I will make this as a restaurant. Okay, slug. I will tell you how this slug will be constructed, and restaurants. So it will be the restaurant where you want to go. I want to create make controller bracket controller. Okay, and we want to go to the maybe index and index. Yep, index. Where is it? Where? Okay, cool. Here. Product con. This is not available. Yep. In here. Yep. Okay, cool. So we have it in here. So go to the slug and what the name. to give it, okay, let's give it restaurant dot products. Okay, so this will go to the index in here, and this will what we want to do here, index it. Okay, and so this will be available, and so request and request. Okay, so what we have to do is basically now to create the products. So let's make here, just to show you what I mean by slug. So we have in the our DB in here request input slug. Okay, cool. So in here in all the restaurant we have slug here, so every restaurant have the own slug, unique. Cool. Now so we hit here, so we need to go to where is it restaurant in here, and let's make route, and this what the route, which is this one, and take parameter of slug of what the slug will be. What you guess it, right? Okay, and let's see if this works. Okay, so the method is not blah 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 blah. So let's go ahead in here and get, so it's not post. Cool. So we have null here, so we have the slug in here, which is weird. Okay, so let's go to the code. Okay, so this not as an input, not as a form, so it's the query parameter, so we access directly like this. I believe we will have, okay, cool. So we have this one. So let's search for the restaurant because we have some time to search. So let's search and grab the restaurant, which is basically like this, and let's search for the slug. And so what we want to put here is, let's import this, and let's come here and tell him slug, and yeah, so let's get this, and this will get a collection. We need just only one record, which is first, like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to return some view, okay, which we don't have, but we will create it. Don't worry, products, and let's grab in here the products that we need. Okay, so in here we don't have this relationship, which we'll create in just a moment. Okay, and so okay, let's return the restaurant as well, which is good in here. Okay, but here we're missing okay, so this will be available for us, and this as well. We can use compact as well, but let's make it like this, which is not too bad as well. Okay, so now we don't have this relation, so every restaurant has many products. So how we can do this? We define a relationship simply by going in here, and let's make public and products, and let's make return this. Okay, and has many what? Well, simply has many products. Okay, dot class. So what happened in here basically? Okay, we don't have products, so let's make PHP artisan make model products. Yep. Okay, so the video is get longer, but okay, we have this now, and we have, okay, so this it doesn't, okay, so this, okay, cool. Okay, so the product is in here. Okay, cool. So we have it here, but let's verify very quickly. If I go in here, it should give us all the products in here. Okay, blah blah blah, not found, just read products. Aha, we didn't create this table yet, but yes, we will create it very easy. We don't have it in here simply, so we will create it very easy as we learn to create restaurant. So the videos get longer, so we'll create this very simple in the first lesson and the first beginning of next lesson, and we go from there. So guys, yes, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like this video, and a lot of great material is coming. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.